Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Chris Designs, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can speed up your design process using Figma styles. Now, what are Figma styles? Figma styles are reusable, saved properties for design elements that ensure consistency across projects. Now, these reusable saved elements or saved properties include that of our typography, text, color, we could say a layout grid, effects, and images, and lots more. Okay, so let's start out with how we can create a style, and we're starting with that of color. Okay, now to create a color style, you simply see why this is like the color property, right? While here we can click on this more, which shows apply styles and variables, right? And we click on this add button, right? And we click on style. This is it. And we could probably name it as blue and create style. Now, we've created style and it shows once you create any style, it's going to come the right hand side of your screen, right? Yeah. Now, we designed this without using style. So let's put all the blue colors in these two frames in style, right? Yeah, and that is done. So let me quickly show you the benefit of using this style. Now, just say um you started a design with a specific color, and along your design process, you discover that you could actually make use of a better color, right? Because you're designing with style, you can come here and let's say change it, and you see that it's going to change immediately on both side of your on all your frames, right? Um, for somebody like me, I can easily just select both frames now. Just say I I want to change the color. Let's you do the white so that you see different. I can easily change it, right? That's because I know what I'm doing, right? But this does not apply to element like text and typography, right? So let's create this a style for text, right? Yeah, so let's say this text the same way you click on here, click on add, and probably you name it header, right? And you create style. As mentioned before, once you create a new style, it's gonna appear here. Okay, now let me change. Can I change this to the header? It's gonna affect the size. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, you can see it affected the size. Okay, let's just duplicate the screen. Okay, so now when I probably made use of not a good font initially, I can easily come here and change that to. Let me just change it to this one so you can see the change it, and you can see this went across all your design, right? Now, that's just one benefit of using style. And style doesn't just end on this small scale level we use it, right? It actually goes um beyond this. It can actually be used in what we call design systems, right? And design system is a set of building blocks and standards that help keep the look and feel of a product and experiences consistent, right? So design system basically includes typography, color, and a lot of things, right? So this is like where style is used in mark scale, right? You can see there's a lot of textile here, a lot of effects, layout grid. Let's also check on this. You can see headings, right? This is like a very wide range of using style, right? It's a lot in text, there's a lot in colors of primary, secondary, right? Effect and so on. So basically, um, it's the same method as I showed earlier, right? So to group them is just simply selecting. Just say you create multiple color styles, you can just select them, then let's say add to a new folder and make it, let's say, primary color or something. Then you have the kind of folder we see here. Okay, kind of drop down or something like that. Yeah. So that's that about this video. Um, if you learned something new today, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Stay blessed.